Hi, Big Tractor Power fans. This video comes to you from a winter wheat field located in western Kentucky, where a brand new model year 2022 375 engine horsepower, 390 bushel, Class 7 GLEANER S97 Combine is harvesting wheat with a 35-foot wide GLEANER 9255 Dyna-Flex Draper Head. In this video, I would like to share with you the combine's production history, specifications, and list price. But first, let's head out to the field so that you can see and hear all this winter wheat harvesting action. The GLEANER brand of combines has a long and rich history. In fact, GLEANER was the first self-propelled combine ever manufactured 99 years ago. Back in 1923, the Baldwin brothers brought their self-propelled combine to market and named it GLEANER. In 1955, Baldwin GLEANER was acquired by Allis-Chalmers, which continued to offer the line of silver combines through 1985 when Allis-Chalmers sold its agriculture division to Deutz Fahr. Deutz-Allis continued to offer GLEANER combines through 1990 when the management of Deutz-Allis created the Allis GLEANER Company, or AGCO. AGCO continues to manufacture GLEANER combines in Heston, Kansas today. AGCO introduced the latest generation of GLEANER combines from model year 2016. The S9 series includes 3 models, a Class 6, Class 7, and Class 8 combine. The classification system in combines is based on the machine's engine horsepower. For the GLEANER S9 series, it ranges from 322 to 471 engine horsepower. The model S97 is the mid-range machine powered by an 8.4-liter AGCO Power twin-turbo 7-cylinder 598 cubic inch engine rated at 375 engine horsepower, and it can achieve up to 551 horsepower when it encounters tough field conditions. This combine is fitted with a 230-gallon diesel fuel tank and a 24.5-gallon diesel emission fluid tank for clean engine solutions. GLEANER combines have used a transverse style rotor to thresh grain since 1979. This means that the crop naturally flows through the combine as it leaves the header and comes up through the feeder house into the combine. When it reaches the rotor mounted across the width in the back of the combine, it simply spins around and threshes the grain. Other rotary combines that use a single or a twin rotor system mount the rotor along the length of the combine, which twists the crop to thresh the grain. GLEANER combines have great success in producing a very good clean sample and losing little grain out the back onto the field. When the GLEANER S97 combine rolls off the assembly line at the AGCO plant located in Heston, Kansas, it weighs in at 32,920 pounds. According to GleanerCombines.com, the list price for a model year 2022 S97 is $546,945. This combine comes with standard 18.4 by 26 rear tires. The combine that you see working in this video has the optional 520/85 dual wheels, which come at an additional cost of $8,733. I hope you've enjoyed spending some time out in the field during the winter wheat harvest with this GLEANER S97 Combine. It'll be exciting to see how AGCO celebrates 100 years of GLEANER in 2023. I'd like to hear in the comment section below this video if you use GLEANER combines on your farm. Tell me about the model that you're running and the crops that you harvest with it. If you've enjoyed this video, consider subscribing to Big Tractor Power YouTube, where there's over 2,000 videos of farm machines in action. If you would like to see additional harvesting content from Big Tractor Power YouTube, continue to watch for a few more seconds to the end screen for a direct link to more videos on combines at work. As always, thank you for watching.